Next thing we are learning is maths, because I am creating the video in such a way that you have to learn Python, AIML, Gen AI, Agentic AI. So the Python is covered. For AIML you have to learn math. For that you have to learn calculus, probability, statistics. Yeah, these are the things, some maths things, and vectors. You have to learn this all. So I am creating this video for the maths. So for the maths, first thing we have to see this, the essence of calculus. First is area of the circle. So we are not only covering the only the formula, but we know we are discussing here how it came, to understand the maths practically and deeply. So whenever you are building one house and all, you are calculating the area of if you are building one house, but that is in a circular manner. If that is in a square, it is a square. And for this, this is rectangle L into B. Yeah, this is for the square. If that is in a circle, that is pi r square. So we are discussing here how it came. See, this how it came. So area is equals to, that is nearly equal to one round of the circle, that is 2 pi r dr. So this is 0 1 2. This is one round we are considering. This one line, that is 2 pi r. So area is half bh. You already know we are taking the area of the right angle triangle, that is half bh. So half b is r and h. This is the height. So height is 2 pi r. So 2 get cancelled, so pi r square. This is how this came. And hard problem, how we solve a hard problem means sum of many problems plus small values. Sum of many, next small values. This is how we are solving that. And the next thing is we are calculating the velocity. So for the velocity, that is velocity is v of t dt. So the car is moving from A to B. This is the car. This is moving from A to B. So this is time versus speed graph. So yeah, this is like this curve. Means sometimes the time is this, speed is this, time is this, distance, time, distance, like this. It will go here from A to B. So the next thing is, so here we are taking the integral format. D of a by dx square is equal to x square. Means first thing is distance, then velocity, then acceleration. So x square means acceleration. So the next thing is we are taking the our goal is to learn derivative and avoid paradoxes. But we are learning this derivative. So in a very practical manner. So we have covered this area and all. So this is the derivative. Instant rate of change. So instant means one point at a time. At a time, what is changing, that is called instant. And changes requires multiple points in a time, means requires multiple points at a time. Instant means at a one point of time there is requires multiple points. So see here, time in seconds, that is 10 seconds. From A to B it is moving in a 10 seconds, but requires multiple points in a time. So from A to B in 10 seconds, this is the time versus distance graph from here to here. So velocity means change in distance by time, as you already know. So rise man divided by run means distance by time. So this is the formula s of t plus dt minus s of t. So time in small, at a small point, time tends to 0, best constant approximation around a point. So we are taking, assuming that speed is 3 and time is 2. So plus, like this, we are taking the formula. So ds by dt of 2 is equal to 3 of 2 square. So tt get cancelled and this considered to be 0. So this is d of t cube by dt is equals to this 3t square. So here distance, again time, so 2 to 3 instant change in time, and this is the distance it is covered. We're taking 2 as a distance, so 2, and we are putting this in this formula. 2 cube plus 3, yeah, you are taking this ds of 2 plus this, like this, we are putting this in this formula. So we have calculated dt and dt get cancelled. So instant rate of change, paradox, we are avoiding this. So it came like this. Time is 0.1 at a time 0. See, this is the ds by dt t 3t square, so 0 meter. The car best constant approximator is 0.00, very small change. So the next thing is, given f of x is equal to sine of x square, so compute df by dx of x. So abstract function and approximation. So here abstract function is like this, like 2x square minus x cube and a population growth. So these are the formulas of the derivatives. So these are the derivative formulas. Have to remember this formulas. So d by dx of x of n is equal to n of x to the power n minus 1. So this derivative is cos x, this cos x derivative minus sin x. Of x derivative ln of, means log, this is the log function ln of a to the power x. So we are calculating f of x square. How it came to x, like this is one square, we are taking this and this part. So this is x 2x dx, that is small, so safe to ignore this dx square, this square, and we're taking this and this. So it came to x, like x square, x squared derivative is d by dx of x squared 2x dx. So this, see here, 2x dx, we are ignored this. So d of means this is x to the power n, dx is into x to the power n minus 1. This is the formula and we have proved it. The next thing is, we are calculating the derivative already. 3 here, x, 3 minus 1 is 2, like this. Next thing is this, 3 into 2 is 12. So, no, this one. So this derivative is 4. This is 3, same as this. This is the formula. So the next thing is, same as for this, 1 by 2. Then this 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2, like this. And for 1 by x is, 1 by x means x to the power minus 1. So n into x to the power n minus 1 means minus 1. X to the power n is, what is the n is minus 1, so minus 1. So minus x to the power minus 2. This one I'm talking about. This already known. This is for the sine theta. So this is the sine theta curve. This is for the cos theta curve. So d by dt of sine theta is cos theta. Thing is sine rule. The sine rule is, if plus x square is there, then you are taking, sorry, sum rule, not some sine rule, this is, sorry, sum rule. For the sum rule we are taking this plus this, means we have to add the differentiation to both at a different, like this. Thus cos x differentiation is sin x and this differentiation is x. For same for this, so sin x differentiation cos x, this differentiation 2x dx. And next, this is important and this is very important. So the product rule says that g of x differentiation of this plus this, then differentiation of this. See, easy. This differentiation of this, then this differentiation of this. So this is the example. First is this differentiation and next differentiation of this. So here's then function composition. So means there are sin x is 1 and x square is 1. So how to find that? First we have to take sin x square differentiation, that is cos x square, then this function x square differentiation is 2x dx, like this. Next, the chain rule. Chain rule means first we have to take the differentiation of this, then this. So you already know this formula, this. So constant mass is 2 to the power t, I think. Okay, same like a to the power t differentiation is a to the power t and e to the power t differentiation is e to the power t. Okay, so the next thing is yeah, this is the slope. What is the slope they are asked? So x square 5x square, so differentiation this, it came like this 0, then dy by dx is equal to minus x by the slope. Then same, the slope is 4 by 3, then the next is x square plus y square, that is 2x dx dy. So this is 1 by x, this differentiation, these two putting the differentiation at both sides, dx is equal to 1 by x. This is called, this is like yeah, population mass, not population mass but function composition.